A question that some of you might have over the course of your watercolor painting is, can I go over my colors or can I change my colors? And the answer is yes, you can. One of the challenges with watercolors is the fact that they are water soluble, which means that the pigments will dissolve in water. And that's true whether it's in the pan or whether it's on your paper. So I thought I would try to go over my painting that I did and show you that it is possible to change your colors. So if you look at what I've painted so far, these two browns are not even close to matching. I'm not sure what I saw in the evening light that I had a couple nights ago, but it's interesting studying color, because you probably know from experience with the clothes that you wear and whatnot, our perception of color can change. It can change with the lighting. If you have a warm light, like I have a warmer bulb, I think, in this fixture, versus a cooler light, like the fluorescent lights in the classroom, those are going to be more white and kind of wash things out. Other influences in how you perceive color is if I'm looking at it with the naked eye, it can look one way, or if I'm looking at it through a camera lens, it may look a different way, or if I'm looking at it on a TV monitor or a computer monitor or my phone versus the physical printout. You've heard of CMYK and RGB. So our eyes are very sensitive to color, and mine is very sensitive to the fact that this is terrible. I mean, it looks good in and of itself, and for the sake of our project, if you don't have them side by side, nobody's going to know. But our goal is to try to match our colors as best as we can. So I'm going to try to go back over this with a little bit more of an orangey brown, which you can see, I feel like I achieved more somewhere in this range here. That's a closer match to this than some of these. So anyway, let's see how we do. We'll spend a couple minutes on this and then let you have a go at it. I've got my water, got my watercolors, and my towel or rag. I've got this paint in the tray that's left over from the last time. So the watercolor pigment is a blessing and a curse in that it's still water soluble even after it's dried. So I'm gonna rinse my brush out. We're gonna soften up this orange over here. Well, you just have to trust me that it's over there. I'm gonna add a little bit to this brown. I really want to pick up a lot. You can see, I'll show you. You can see I've got a puddle in there now. I'm trying to pull that orange over here. I said something last time about saturation. Saturation means how much water you have relative to pigment. So, oops, getting a little orange into that brown. I'm gonna have to clean that out. Easy enough. It might take some time for the water to soften up your paints in your tray. There, that's a little more saturated. All right, just for curiosity's sake, let's see where we're at. I'm gonna put this on our test strip. All right, that's still mighty brown. Let's put it down here. What do you think? That's better. Certainly better than that. Let's go with it. See what we get. Might be dumb luck. Might have got it first try. All right, you gotta control how much water you've got in your brush. I'm gonna grab a paper towel. Just because we don't want to flood the picture with color necessarily. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, I like that better. Maybe thin it down a little bit. A little more water to the paper towel. You see all that water? And I'm just going to, it's tricky, I don't know if I should look through the camera. So you can see as long as I'm not going back and forth over the same area. Oh, that's turning out more brown again still. I need more orange. It's like I said, patience and persistence, right? So that's more orange. Let's try that one over here. And you can go over the black parts. You don't have to worry about covering that up. Touch on the paper towel. I've got more water. You got to really control how much liquid you have in your brush. You don't want, like I said, flood the area that you're working in. Now, I can do this too. This is called lifting. Get as much water and pigment out of your brush as you can, and then if you go over that same area, you'll lift up the excess color, pigment. So I'll show you in another video how you can lift some of this paint later if you want to lighten some areas, taking advantage of the fact that watercolors are water soluble. All right, that's enough time on this. Good luck, have fun, be patient with yourselves, be persistent, try again, and you're going to get a rewarding result.